Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to add Amazon Buy with Prime to your Shopify store in just a few minutes, giving your customers a fast and trusted checkout option. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to the Apps section. In the search bar, type Leotech and select the Leotech Amazon Buy button app. Click Install and confirm the installation. Once installed, open the app, go to Settings, and select the Prime option. This enables the Amazon Buy with Prime functionality. Next, click Select Products and choose which items you want this feature for. Click Add to confirm, then update the product status to enable Prime for those items. You can also customize your setup using the pencil icon. Remember, you'll need the premium plan to unlock full Prime functionality, and that's it. Your Shopify store now supports Amazon Buy with Prime, letting customers enjoy a seamless Amazon checkout while boosting your sales. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more quick Shopify tips.